It's 2023, and sitting here is my 2010 G37 coupe. Today I'm going to be telling you if you should buy a G37 in 2023. Stay tuned. I got this car in the beginning of January last year, so it's been about a year and 3 months, and it's been honestly really great. No bad issues, no random things breaking. Slight maintenance done, which I'll get into later on, but overall it's been a great car. I love Infinitis, I love Nissans. If you followed me for long enough, you know I've always had Nissans, starting with the Z's, but this is honestly a great replacement to my old 370Z that I used to have. So yeah, let me tell you why you should get a G37 in 2023. Alright, so jumping straight into this, we're going to talk about reliability. So 2023, you will obviously want a reliable car, obviously, and this is definitely a great platform for that. Nissan's VQ37 VHR, super reliable. All I've done for this car is oil changes. I've had 2 sets of tires because of camber, obviously, and I've never had any crazy things happen. The most major thing I've had to replace is a window motor, but that's expected on Nissan's Infinitis. That's the most common problem you're gonna have, but other than that, reliability has been great on this car. As we go inside, I'm going to pop the hood for y'all, just so y'all can see. I've got a little something done to the engine cover, done by yours truly. Anyway, the 3.7, once again, VHR, super reliable motor, handles power great. I love it. Stepping inside, there's definitely modern tech. 2023, you want something comfortable. I'm going to jump straight into it. Push start, keyless entry. You got the 7-speed with the paddle shifters that I've installed. You can obviously go into manual mode with the manual lever here. The most fascinating thing in this car, though, is definitely the navigation screen. So it's more than just a navigation screen. It could also forecast the weather. You've got your maintenance, economy, everything, stuff like that. It even can show you traffic, which I didn't show on the screen. But it's just crazy that this is a 2010 with a touchscreen that looks like this. Some cars don't even have this in their 2020s. Got the heated seats, of course. Gotta have that. And then just like really clean dash looks, very modern, simple, minimalistic, ageless. Once again, that keyless entry in action. Got that trunk pop. Nothing too crazy, but it's, once again, nice little features. We've got the parking sensors, reverse camera. 2023 cars, you know, I think this definitely matches up. Now for the most important part, how does the car drive? I'm gonna let y'all just take a look for yourself. What's good, y'all? Obviously, it's a new day. I did not record the outro for this, so I just wanted to give y'all some final thoughts on what I think about buying a G in 2023. I definitely feel that the G37 is sitting right down there, actually. I think that this is a very solid car for this year, and it's got good reason. most cars competing with this car, we'll say Veloster N1, we'll say BMW 340i's, we'll say stuff like that. Even Challenger RTs, not a Scat Pack, maybe Scat Packs too, but Scat Packs kind of push a little bit more. But more entry-level sports cars of this year, this era, this car definitely keeps up with them, and if not, beats them. I raced a Scat the other day. I kept up pretty well until we got to maybe fourth year. I kept up with him. This car definitely will put it down, especially if you add the sporty mods that it needs to really push past this limit. This car responds well to power. It's a good build, super high quality. What else can I say about it? It's just been a good car this year, and I can't wait to show y'all what I have in store for this year now. It's been a good year with the G, and I expect it to last a very long time. I'm not getting rid of it anytime soon. So yeah, stay tuned, stick around, see what I do to this G. It's gonna be crazy, y'all. I want to thank y'all for watching the video. Thank you for tuning in. My channel's been doing great, honestly. We're finally at 880 subscribers. 120 away from 1,000. That's fucking wild, bro. When I first started this shit, it was hard to get even 50 fucking likes, 50 views, if that, anything. But now here we are, and even though I'm not perfectly consistent, I am proud of where we've taken this channel. So, to an abundant year for Fast Boy JD, right? Thank you all for watching. Hit that subscribe button down below. Don't forget to like the video and comment anything you want to ask or stuff like that. I respond pretty quick. Yeah, see you all in the next video though. Peace.